Hey guys, Corey here. I'm going to do a quick little video today. I know it's been a while on how to reset your emissions light. Or anytime you need to do that, either if you need to pass your emissions to go get your emissions done, or after replacing an emissions component. Okay, just like all my videos, I'll just get right to it. Get straight to the point. This is kind of a bad example, but your first thing that you need to do is just get in your car like you normally would. Start it up, warm it up to the normal operating temperature. Usually, as you can see, my temperature gauge, usually your when your car is all the way warmed up, it'll be right in the middle of the cold and the hot operating temperature, temperature gauge. Anytime you're doing an emissions reset, don't listen to the shops. They tell you that bullcrap you need to drive for 3 days and 2 to 3 days in a week, and that'll reset your light. That's bullcrap. Listen to me. I have a lot of experience. I've been doing this for a long time, and I'll give you the right info. Anyways, the next step would is to make sure, and this is very important by the way, that you'll need to restart the whole thing over if you miss any of these steps. But this will be the very first step and possibly the most important one. Make sure your fuel gauge, your fuel tank I should say, has at least a quarter tank of fuel or more, but it needs to be in between the quarter tank line and 3/4 of a tank. Anywhere in between that, you'll be able to reset the light. Anyways, make this short. That's the next step you need to do in the first, and then you'll need to take the vehicle on the highway, and you need to drive it at 56 miles per hour or higher and keep it at that speed. I do this at a steady speed. I do this by putting the car on cruise control. That way I don't need to pay attention as much. I don't need to put my foot on the gas. I don't need to put my foot on the brakes. I just put it on cruise control for 8 minutes or longer. It doesn't matter. It just needs to be 8 minutes. And then once you've hit that 8-minute mark, pull over, put the vehicle in park, but you need to leave the engine running while it's idling. It needs to idle for 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes or longer. And then that's it. You're done. Once you start driving again, your emissions will be reset. Thanks for watching.